Dydd da, fatlagenis, da lor, a dinarch the dolan nifer tree, and welcome to program number 3. Today we're off to Sgol Garenza, run by Movian Sgolio Merthrin. I've been asked to help teach the children how to say colours in Cornish.
Thirsty.
Dydd da Richard, fatlagenis.
Yn point da maraz hati fatlagenis.
Da lor.
Dolor. Turmen metje gans and flakis.
Blam.
Hello. Go per daloena. Pilu. Ruth per da. Gwyn per da.
Right, well the children seem to know their colours pretty well. Let's take another look at what the colours are again. First we have Gwyn. We know this is white from the Tair Ha Coffee programme. Coffee heb leth yw dew, so dew is black. Rúth is a place on the Gosmore called Ruthers, which comes from Rúth Vos. That's Rúth, red, and Fors, wall. St. Columba was martyred there. She had her head chopped off. She fell over the wall and stained the ground Rúth, red. Glas. Look in a Kernewek dictionary and find glas, and the meaning will be blue and green and grey. It's the same for Breton and Welsh. That's because glas really means the colour of the sea. The British borrowed a word from the Romans. It became gwyrdd, meaning green but not of living things. Mel is honey, so melon is honey-coloured or yellow. Paint rúth a paint melon are a paint rúth velin. Red paint and yellow paint makes orange paint. Paint rúth a paint gwyn are a paint rúth wyn. Red paint and white paint makes pink paint. Paint gwyn a paint dew you paint lows. White paint and black paint makes grey paint. And what's a cat's favourite colour in Kernewek? Purpur, purple. The first bit of the English word yellow and the Cornish word gel are the same, but gel means brown or tawny. Well, now you know the basic Cornish words for the colours, and remember to join us next month to learn more Cornish. Diw genes, bis the nesa tro, diw genachwi.